Hello everyone, welcome to Protsan Bharti. As we all know, Smart Cookie is an organization where employee and teachers student reward program where HODs or teachers can also give real-time reward points to employees or students for their work, and in return they give thank you points. Today I will show you how you can assign or request reward points and thank you points as an employee of an organization. First of all, enter your URL, that is www.protsahanbharti.com in search bar of your browser. Now you can see the home page of your Protsahan Bharti. Click on the button named Login, which is in the top right corner. As you can see the drop down menu, and in the drop down menu you have to select option named Employee. As we have chosen employee by selecting employee labeled option, to log in we can either use our member ID, PRN, employee ID, email ID or phone number. Then we have to enter our institute ID or organization ID and password, and in the end we have to hit the login button. Remember me checks box is the option. It depends on you whether to choose or not. After logging in, you will get your dashboard. This is your dashboard where you can see the list of your projects and its manager named as My Project and Manager. So first let me show you how you can assign thank you points to your manager. First of all, you have to search your manager and then select the manager to whom you want to assign points. For rewarding thank you points to your manager, you have to click on the button named Thank You. As you can see, the panel named Assign Thank You Points. Now you can see the personal details of particular manager you selected, and then you have to choose the thank you reason by clicking on the drop down menu. Select the appropriate reason to give thank you points to him. Below to the thank you reason, you have to enter points in numbers, how much you want to give him. Then click on the assign button. Click on the logs button given in the side menu. On clicking on the logs drop down menu, you see various logs, and then you have to select thank you points log. Now you can see the thank you points log. Again click on the thank you points log to choose the or to close the drop down. In side menu, you have to click on the drop down named Requests. Choose Points Request to Manager from the drop down. Select the manager and then select the appropriate one for requesting points from manager. Then choose manager from whom you want to request for the points and click on the button named Send Request. Now you can see the Send Request to Manager panel. Click on the drop down menu named Activity of My Projects and select activity or project for whom you want to request the points. Below to the activity or my projects, you have select activity type between AICTE activity program, arts, general activity, innovation cell, KPI, others and sports. Choose the appropriate one. If you choose general activity, then you have to select appropriate activity. Below to the activity type, you have to enter points in numbers, how much you want to request from him. You can also write comment in the text box, request comment, and then hit on the submit button. Then click on the send request button. As you can see, we got the alert box to inform that request sent successfully, and you have to click on OK button. Click on Employee Activity Summary from the side menu, and now you can see the summary of activities of an employee, and the best part, is you can see between the duration you want. Now you can see the panel named Employee Activity Summary, in which you can see the activity name and points assigned. Click on the button named Summary Report. Now you are able to see Activity List Summary Report. If you want to see the graph of activities, then you have to hit on the button named Graph. Now you can see the graph as well. Thank you for your time and patience.